Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Amazon Prime not working after subscription. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First thing first, if your videos are not working even after your payment, then try logging out of your account. And if it's still not working, then make sure that your card has enough balance in it and the balance is actually deducted for subscriptions. And now see if it fixes your problem. Now, if the issue persists and if it's still not working, then here is the last thing you can try. Launch any of your preferred web browser. At the top search bar, type in Amazon Prime Video Contact Support. You will see Prime Video Help. Open that link and you can go ahead and search for videos not working after subscription. See if you find any related articles. If you are not finding any articles, you can go ahead and click on Contact Us. And likewise, for that also, you need to get logged into your Amazon account. And from there, you can get help via customer support. You can also get live support if you're lucky, but you can also contact via email. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Amazon Prime not working after subscription. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.